Hello, this is Brad Wilkes from Network Pipeline, and this is another video in the Schedule My PC series. In this video, we're going to discuss how to add, change, and delete scheduled content, and that's done from two places, the calendar view or list view. So we'll talk about add, change, and delete. So let's open up the program. We'll log in. And all this work that we're talking about, add, changing, and deleting, is done under Manage Schedule. Under Manage Schedule, we have a list view or a calendar view. In the calendar view, we can double click on any empty space and we can choose the date and time that we want to open something up. So let's come up with a simple one. Let's call it Google. So with Google, we're opening up a website, and the website is www.google.com, for example. We want to open it up on 12/22, and the time we want to do that is, say, 2:55, or 2:54 is good. We'll talk about recurrence in another video. We have to pick a category, so we'll call it search engines. And we'll note search engines wasn't a category we used previously, so it opens up the box so we can open up something brand new and create that category at the same time. So that's a simple way of doing it. We just simply, at this point, since it's not recurring, we can just hit OK. And there is our google.com schedule to open up. So let's move this up a little bit so we can see it a little bit more. You know, so as we point to different ones, we can see what they are. This one is google.com. It's a search engine, and it's not recurring. That should pop up momentarily. I do have a two-screen operation, so it'll pop up on the other screen. Now, the other way we can take advantage of this is I can right-click, I can enable, disable it, but I can also delete it from here. I can also preview the contents, which means I can click on this and Google comes up. Comes up over here, of course, on my other screen, but there it is. So Google will pop up, and you can preview that with any type of content you want to do. Just a little minor thought, if you decide to shut down your PC and you want to test it, you can preview it. It will shut down your PC, so keep that in mind. So from here I can open it up and make my changes. Maybe I want to add a sound, for example. Maybe I want to make it recurring. I can do all that. Now that's all done now from the calendar view. On the list view, I can find Google. Let's find the one I just did. And I'll apply my filter. And there's the one I just created. I can right click. I can change it, I can delete it. If I delete it, it's going to ask me, "Are you sure you want to delete it?" And I'll say no. But I can also insert a new one in addition to what I had for Google. So it doesn't really make a difference when you only have one highlighted. But I can also make my change from here too. So that's a simple way of adding, changing, or deleting content that you've created. Clear my filter. I'm back to where I was. Here's my Google. I'll right click and I'll delete it, and it's gone, and that's the end of that conversation. So hopefully that'll help you navigate. And as far as the types of content, look for other videos that we have. We tackle each specific type of content that you can do, whether it be a website, a folder, a file, or running a program. Thank you.